Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to translate messages on OmeTV. This method only works on the browser version because the mobile app doesn't have the translate option. First, open your browser and go to the OmeTV. You will see the main interface like this. Now click on settings. After that, you will find a new option called translate messages. Now turn it on and that's it. So make sure your language is set to English if you want all messages translated into English. If you choose a different language, the messages will be translated into that language instead. Try it out and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.